Good afternoon to all of you. I am Hebu Sheikh. Today I will teach you maths topic. That topic name I will not say to you. You will say the topic name by using the questioning. I will ask to you few questions. You will give the answer. Then we will get the topic name. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now I am taking money from my pocket. I took. Now you have to say how much money do I have in my hand. You say your answer right. I don't know. Very good. He told I don't know. Very good. Nice question. You have to know. Okay. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. Your right answer. We don't know how much money I have. Somebody say 10 rupees, 5 rupees. They are telling like this only. They are making joke. But he gave the right answer. I don't know. So really we don't know. So this word, what we have to say in other language? Yes. There is a word for this whole sentence. This is a sentence. What we have to say in other sentence or in one single word? X. No. I don't know means in mathematical we have to say unknown value. Unknown value. Now, what we have to call unknown value in mathematical language? X. No. What we have to call? Unknown value. We don't know that value. We don't know. So what we have to call? There is a word again. Word for. Very good. Right? Say. Variable. Variable, right? Your answer is right. Variable. Then, how to represent the variable in mathematical language? Nice. X, Y, Z. Dot. We don't know that value. We will say by using the variable. There is a variable. What is a variable? X. I know. What you have to say? Unknown value. We don't know that value, so we have to consider. Now, so okay, this is a I don't know. You know I don't know. What you have to call? I don't know. I don't know. Now, what we have to call in mathematical language? Variable. And variable represented by X, Y, Z. Right. So which topic is related to? Linear. So today we are going to learn linear equation in one variable. Second chapter. Linear equation in which variable? One variable. Nice. One variable. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. So first we will learn the title of the lesson. What is the lesson title? Linear equation. So we will do the postmortem of that lesson. Title lesson. Postmortem you will know. That is. So similarly we will learn first this one by one. What do you mean by linear? And equation. Second is one. You know what? One means what? Variable. Already you learn variable. So first we learn linear. What do you mean by linear? Linear means equal. Linear means equal. She is telling parallel. She told line. Very good. We will get line. Okay, you know. Line. Linear means line. If you are not getting, so I will give one trick. Do you want trick?
Yes.
Okay. In linear, you have to erase this AR. What you will get? It is a magic. In linear, there is word also present, line. So what do you mean by linear? line. So don't say parallel, equal. This is a single word. Linear is line. Okay. Okay. If you're not getting, okay, we will get line. And how will we will get line? By using the variable, and variable's degree should be, must be 1. So degree how much? 1. Degree how much? 1. So if you don't know, do you want one trick of 1? Do you want trick of 1? I will give a trick for 1. Okay. There is in line, there is one like this. This is a 1. So what do you mean by line? What do you mean by degree is 1? We will get line. If the variable degree is 1, so what we will get? Line. What we will get? Line. The degree is 1 of the variable, so we will get the line. So this is the concept of related to linear. So did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Second one point clear. Now second point is there equation. What do you mean by equation? Okay. You know this x plus 5. What is this x plus 5? This is not equation. This is not variable. Oh. This is an expression. This is an expression. X plus 5 is an expression. Okay. Now I will take. This is what? What is this? This is the variable. This is also expression you say. And then after I will write this sign. This sign. What is this? Is equal to. And you write any number. If expression containing is equal to sign, that time we have to call equation. This is the equation concept. What is the equation? In algebraic expression is equal to sign is present, then we have to call equation. So this is the equation. This is also equation. This is x is equal to 11. This is also equation. So this is the equation. Now second variable, unknown value. Unknown value. This is the unknown value. And what is the, tell me about something variable, features of variable, properties of variable like rhombus, parallelogram. Value is changeable or not changeable? Changeable. Value is changeable. Definite or not definite? Definite. Okay. There is one word also is there in this equation, this second chapter, constant. What is meant by constant? What do you mean by constant? No change. No change. There is no change. This is a fixed. We will say fixed value. Fixed value. Which value? Fixed value. Variable, changeable value. Not fixed. Fixed. There is no constant. It will be changed. I will say one example related to variable. Do you want one example related to variable?
Yes.
I will give the one example in daily life. Now this which season is going on? Summer vacation. Summer season is going on. In summer, you know the temperature will be changed day by day. Today's temperature is different. Yesterday's temperature was different. Tomorrow temperature will be different. This is a difference. So changeable. So temperature is a changeable, not fixed. 40 degree, 2 days are 40 degree possible? Not possible. 40.1 degree Celsius, like this. Okay. So this is regarding to a linear equation in variable. So did you understand the chapter name, title? Okay. Now I gave the one example to you. I have 5 rupees. I add something in that feed, and it becomes 20 rupees. How much money I have at first? Those you say. So how to find that answer? So I will write this equation. X. So this daily life problem. This is a daily life problem now. She is telling I have some money. She is telling riddle. Do you know riddle? Like this. She is telling I have some rupees. I add today 5 rupees. It become 20 rupees. How much have I have at first? So 15 rupees. So this daily life example we have to represent in mathematical language. Which form? Mathematical form. So we don't know how much we have. We know? No. So you have to, what we have to consider? X. Add means addition. So add, your right symbol plus sign. How much? 5 rupees. It become means is equal to. Become means is equals. Is equals to. How much become? 20 rupees. So this equation. If you want to find the value of x, value of x means which value? Variable value. If you want to find the value of variable, so how to find the value of variable? This is a arising question in so many students. How to find the value of x? Logically you will say 15 rupees, but mathematically how to find the value of x? So in our syllabus, there are two methods. How many methods? There are two methods. So today we will learn that method. First one method is balancing method. Okay. Second one is transposition method. Okay. So by using balancing method, if you want to learn these two methods, so first you know the rules of the equation. So there is one rule is here. What is the opposite of plus and what is the opposite of multiplication? If you know these two things, definitely you understand. First one, second one. Plus, opposite of plus, minus. Opposite of multiplication, divide. And opposite of minus, opposite of division, multiplication. So you can solve this method by using. So very easy methods. So one by one we will learn. First one is x plus 5 is equal to 20. Balancing method. When scale you know. So that is a balancing method. So if you want to find the value of x, okay. So if with the x 5 is there, we have to delete it. How to delete it? 5. No, transposition method is that different. This is not balancing method. Minus 5 we have to add. Very good. So if she want to add 5, so I will add x plus 5 is equal to 20. How much? 5. So adding which number? Minus 5. So minus 5 you have to subtract, or you may say subtract like this, both the side. So definitely this 5 is 0. So we will get the value of x. Yes, no? So you have to subtract. So plus minus means 0. So what is the value? X. 20 minus 5, 15. What's our answer? 50. Now transposition method we will learn. So x plus 5 is equal to 15. Transposition method means you have to transport this side or this side. Okay? Transport this side or this side. So how will you transport this? So x is telling I want to live alone. X is telling I want to live alone. X is a mental. Okay? So you have to transfer this 5 this side. So we will get 20 minus 5. So before you want to transfer this 5, you have to check the sign of the 5. Which sign does 5 is have? Plus. Minus. Opposite of plus? Minus. What is right? Minus. 20 minus 5? 15. So what is the value? X is equal to 15. So both the method means there are two methods there. If which method you want, you can use anyone and you can solve and you can find the value of variable. Did you understand? In next lecture we will learn